How to upload on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can upload images on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open your Picsart application on your device. On this page, you will see Start Editing button at the top left corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here, select a photo you want to upload. You can either upload from the images available in the Picsart, or if you want to upload your own photo from your device, you can use the options from the left corner. Now here, select a photo you want to upload. Once you get it, tap on it and below you will see open option. Click on that open button. Wait for a while and you will reach to this page. Here you can further edit the photo. If you are done editing, on the same page you will see Picsart upload option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this option. You will see this option. Here you can customize as per your preference before uploading. Whether you want to upload it in JPG or PNG, or you want to keep it private or public as per your preferences. Once you have set them, click on that share button at the bottom. Wait for it to be uploaded. Now you have successfully uploaded on Picsart. To view it, go to that profile picture at the top left corner of the screen, and under this section you will see the photo you just uploaded. So in this way you can upload on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.